Post Malone's breakup with ex-girlfriend Ashlyn Diaz has taken yet another turn as he is now being accused of domestic violence, except she's not the one making the claims. Radar Online has obtained court documents confirming that a firm called Martorell Law has sued not only the singer, but also his former partner of 3 years, who they initially aided in legal negotiations relating to her palimony. Following the pair's 2018 split, Diaz proposed a payout from her relationship despite not being married to Post and promised her legal team a percentage of the settlement. Per the lawsuit filed by Martorell last year, he allegedly cornered her into an out-of-court settlement that would cut the firm out of the deal. In objecting to this, Martorell has now said they will present hard and detailed evidence, including images and text messages, that prove Post Malone's dominating presence in Diaz's life. The purpose of this is to demonstrate that she was manipulated into dropping her firm and working out an agreement with him on the side. The firm has filed a motion for damages, which Post Malone has demanded be thrown out as he referred to it as frivolous, unreasonable, or without foundation. This move is premised on the 28-year-old's alleged emotional and physical abuse of his ex, with Martorell saying that he pressured and coerced Diaz into releasing her lawyer. Coercion and pressure of one's romantic partner combined with physical and emotional abuse in violation of the penal code, in an effort to deprive that person of competent legal counsel and with the knowledge that the actor is also depriving legal counsel of its attorney's fee, constitutes an independent wrongful act, the motion reads. These facts were what the underlying case would have been all about, a palimony dispute wherein this pattern of abuse and imbalance of power was used to suppress Ms. Diaz literally physically and emotionally, only to leave her powerless and moneyless after he was caught red-handed on a yacht by TMZ with another woman in the midst of an alleged unfaithful tryst. Plaintiff's counsel has, to date, avoided airing out these salacious facts based upon their professionalism and respect for the court process. But given defendant Post's counsel's insistence within pleadings on falsely painting this case as one where defendant Post lacked the ability to control Ms. Diaz, if the court finds it necessary for these further specific allegations and the photographic and text evidence thereof to be asserted in pleadings. Martorell also argued, it simply cannot be the case that one of the world's most powerful celebrities with a documented history of physical and emotional abuse towards his romantic partner uses his power and money to deprive her of legal representation and in doing so, blatantly interferes with a contingency fee agreement robbing her attorney from being paid and gets away with it scot-free. Founding partner Eduardo Martorell added, during the course of my representation of Ms. Diaz informed me that she suffered from acts of domestic abuse during her dating relationship with defendant Post, which I now believe to be related to Ms. Diaz's breach of the contingency fee agreement. Ms. Diaz provided me with photographs and text messages with defendant Post and information relating to defendant Post's abuse. The case is still